Hello and welcome to another update video on Ethereum. Ethereum has bounced from the lower boundary line of our trend channel. Not a great surprise that we see a bit of a reaction here, given that we have a very strong support level here. $3,055 was the first Fibonacci support level of our support zone, measured based on the, measured against, you could say, the entire length here. Of the rally from the April low all the way up to the August high, and then we can draw the fibs from there. And the first key Fibonacci support level is this 38.2 retracement there at $3,055. So a bounce from there is, of course, not a significant surprise, not a major surprise. Also, because the chart was oversold, right? On that flash crash day, Ethereum reached oversold readings, yeah. It was, I think, the day after the flash crash. I posted, and price was around 3,323. I posted on X that ETH is very oversold, yeah, very oversold, and that a break above $3,611 is needed for a first signal that a low of sorts has formed. I mean, you know, a low that is more than just a small upside reaction. Now, have we, first of all, oversold? Very oversold means, of course, a bounce is likely, right? That's when it's oversold, especially on the daily chart, which I showed here. That kind of is always a signal to watch. If we open here the RSI, you see it. The market actually was really oversold just below 30, around 29. And this doesn't happen every day. The last time that happened was in April. And then briefly afterwards, we had a break above this descending trend line. Could that happen again? We need to break above this trend line, I believe, to get to all-time highs. That could be a breakout signal. Definitely worth watching. But we have not broken above the $3,611 level. And honestly, this is only the very first micro resistance, a more meaningful upside reversal signal. Yeah, would be a break above that trend line on the daily RSI, as I showed you, but also a break above the upper boundary line of our trend channel and above upper resistance is very important. The $4,000 level essentially needs to be broken. Yeah. So at the moment we just, I mean, there is a reaction to support, not a surprise, but we're still moving in this corrective price channel. But I think it's looking good. It's just too early to confirm that we've turned around. Then I usually take a look at the smaller time frame and I'm asking myself, have we seen any significant upside reactions? Well, only to that micro fib support zone that I shared with you yesterday, I believe it was. So we had a bounce from main support, a pullback into micro support, and then another bounce. So we now need a break above the Wednesday high on the micro level here, and as I said, then we can pay close attention to the upper resistance area. This seems very important. This zone between $3,775 and $4,000, because this is where in this zone, first of all, it's Fibonacci resistance is important. Then we have the descending trend line here, the upper boundary line, and the previous swing high from Sunday the 2nd. After which the sell-off started. So that's important. At the moment, this is simply a bounce. It could develop to something more. But for now, Ethereum's price action remains quite muted. As I said, overall, I am not overall bearish. I still give the bullish scenarios a chance here. Yeah. That's the update on Ethereum. Just a quick update. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure to check out our X channel for additional charts, updates, news, and much more. I mean, there's a lot happening here. There are a lot of additional updates also about coins that we don't necessarily cover on YouTube. Check it out. I'll leave a link in the comment section. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.